If you want to clear ChatGPT memory and reset all prompts, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps in just a few minutes. This is useful if you want a fresh start, remove saved memories, or make sure ChatGPT no longer uses older details in future chats. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and look for your profile icon in the lower part of the screen or on the left side, depending on whether you're using mobile or desktop. Click on your profile to open the account menu. This is where all of your main account options are located, including settings and personalization controls. Next, click on Settings. This will take you into the main settings panel for your ChatGPT account. If you're trying to reset memory, this is the area you need, because memory controls are not found inside regular chat windows. They are managed from the Settings menu. Once you're inside Settings, click on Personalization. This section is where ChatGPT stores options related to memory, custom instructions, and how the assistant personalizes your experience. It's the right place to go if you want to clear saved details and start fresh. Now look for the Memory section. You should see an option to manage memory, so click on Manage. This opens the list of stored memories that ChatGPT may have saved over time based on your interactions. These could include preferences, reminders, or other details that were kept to improve your experience. After that, click on the three dots next to the memory options. This menu gives you additional controls for managing or removing stored information. When you open it, you'll usually see the option to delete everything at once. Now click on Delete All Memories. This is the main step that clears your saved ChatGPT memory. Once you confirm it, ChatGPT will remove the stored memories tied to your account, which helps reset the assistant's long-term recall of your previous details. After deleting all memories, it's a good idea to double-check your personalization settings and make sure everything looks the way you want it. If you also want a completely clean experience, you can start a new chat and continue with fresh prompts from there. That way, you're not only clearing memory, but also giving yourself a fresh conversation history to work with. And that's it. You've now cleared ChatGPT memory and reset the saved prompts and details it may have remembered. This is a simple but powerful way to refresh your account and keep your chats more private and organized. If this guide helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.